Struggling to create Amazon merch listings that actually sell? Today I show you my proven step-by-step workflow to maximize visibility and profits, even in small niches like djembe designs. Let's turn your listings into success stories. Okay, now we got the finished designs. And for this demo I picked this djembe design. Now djembe is a very small niche, and I will first create a listing for this small niche, but stick till the end of the video where I'll show you how to create a listing for a very big niche. Now this is the Amazon Merch Create page. Let's scroll down a bit, and here you have to enter your listing. You first enter your design title, you got 60 characters for that. Your brand, you got 50 characters for that. And you got your bullet points. You got 256 characters for each bullet point. And then you have 2000 characters for your description. Title and brand are marked with this star right here. And that means you have to enter a title and a brand for your listing. But these product features, that means bullet point 1 and 2 and the description, are optional. Now here's my approach to the listing. I only use title and brand at the moment. You don't need to use bullet points 1 and 2 and the description for the listing. If the niche is very small and there are not enough keywords, I only use title and brand, and a small niche would be the djembe niche. Now if you have enough keywords, then you could also use the bullet points. Now the most important thing in a listing is that your keywords have to be relevant to your design. So for your listing, use as many relevant keywords as possible, but don't spam your listing with irrelevant keywords, because that would only just confuse the algorithm and will result in a bad customer experience. And Amazon doesn't want that, and you don't want that. So let's first get some keywords. Now to write down the keywords, you can just open the editor or text edit. Now the first free tool that we are going to use is the Merch Titans Redbubble tag generator. You can find the link in the description. You have to create an account, but don't worry, it's completely free. So what you do is you input the base tag right here. In our case it's djembe. Then you click on get tags, and then it loads for quite a few seconds. And what this tool does is, well, it basically scans Redbubble for the main keyword and gives you all the other keywords that are associated with this main keyword on Redbubble. There's also this tool that does the same with Etsy, but in my opinion the Redbubble tag generator does a better job. So let's scroll down and see the results. Okay, let's take our editor and write down some keywords that are relevant. So of course we pick djembe. Let's make this a bit bigger. Then we got drum, we got music, percussion. Then we got drums, but it's basically the same keyword as drum. Then we got drummer, we got instrument, we got African drum, we got drumming. Musician is a bit too general in my opinion. We got percussionist, we got djembe without a D. Okay, let's write this down. African drums, we already have that with African drum. Musical, that's too general. Djembe player, okay. We can add this to djembe right here. Instruments, that's too general. Africa, we already have this with African. Funny, I wouldn't include that. Rhythm, that's too general. Musical instrument, it's also too general. Band, music teacher, these are irrelevant keywords. Djembe fola, I don't know what that is. Let's Google it. Okay, I just pasted it in Google and it says it's a movie, so I wouldn't use this keyword. Then we got vintage, retro, djembes, hobby, animal, animals, pet. These are all not relevant for our design. Well, typically the most relevant keywords are on the top of this page. Now the second website where we can get our keywords is Wikipedia. So let's just type in djembe, press enter, there we go. Let's take our keywords to the side, and the text says a djembe or djembe, so we are correct. You can also spell it like this without a D. So let's take this keyword up there, djembe drum, yeah, that's okay. So Wikipedia says a djembe or djembe is a rope-tuned, skin-covered goblet drum played with bare hands, originally from West Africa. So we got djembe drum, let's add goblet, so we got djembe drum and goblet drum in this keyword right here. Now it's from West Africa, so we got the keyword African drum. So let's just add West African drum. Okay, let's see. Now in my opinion you already get the most important keywords in this first passage right here. But let's take a look at the other text. Okay, it mentions the movie djembe fola, so definitely don't use this keyword. Let's see. I think we got the best keywords from Wikipedia now. Now we can also get keywords from Amazon itself, and for that we also need the Productor plugin installed and activated. So you go to Amazon.com, make sure you got an American zip code. So I like to enter the zip code from Beverly Hills. Then you just type in Djembe shirt, press enter. Then you already see some shirts. And this bar right here is very important for us. So now we need to wait a moment to let it load. So this is quite similar to the Redbubble tag generator. You enter your main keyword, and then it collects all the different kinds of keywords that are associated with this main keyword. Okay, it's done. Now you click on this button, more keywords, and then you get a complete list. Well, these are basically all the different kinds of keywords that Amazon merch sellers used in their listings. So these are the top focus keywords. These are basically just one word. And then we got the top long tail keywords. And the long tail keyword is a keyword with at least 2 words. Then you also get the search suggestions from Amazon. Then you get suggested keywords from Amazon. And then you get suggested keywords from Google. Now let's check each list for relevant keywords. Okay, we got our list right here. Djembe, drum, music, African. We have all these keywords already. T-shirt, gift. Don't use these keywords. Player, we have this keyword right here. Drummer, we also got this. Instrument, drums, djembe, lover, drumming, love, reggae, that's irrelevant. Man, vintage, funny, Africa, and so on. The list just gets less and less relevant right here. Okay, let's check the top long tail keywords. Great gift, I wouldn't use it. Amazon itself says that you can't use the keyword gift. Djembe player, djembe drum, djembe players. You basically got these keywords. Perfect gift, don't use that. Djembe drum lover gift, djembe drum player, proud djembe player, Christmas birthday, awesome djembe design. Okay, these are not relevant anymore. Now the search suggestions. Djembe shirt, we got that. Django shirt, that's irrelevant. Djokovic, it's also irrelevant. DJI, no. Djembe drum t-shirt, we basically have djembe drum. Now we can take a look at the last 2 keyword lists, but in my experience you won't get any relevant keywords anymore. So it says djembe drum, djembe stand, djembe drum kids, djembe drums adults, djembe drum bag. So these are not relevant for our design. Let's check the keywords from Google. Djembe t-shirt design, djembe stand price. Okay, these are not relevant anymore. Well, in my experience, I would just focus on the first 2 lists that Producta gives you. And you could say the smaller the niche, the less relevant keywords you will get. Now let's write the listing. Okay, we got our design right here. We got our keywords right here. Now let's write the listing. Now let's start the title with the main keyword, djembe. Then let's write drummer, percussion, design for a djembe player. Then we want to fill our brand also with relevant keywords. So we write djembe, West African drum, instrument. Okay, actually the keyword music is too general. So let's delete that. Drumming, design. Nope, it's too long. So let's write drummer, design. Okay, I wanted to write designs, but I got no characters left. So let's just write design. So I think we got the most important keywords right now in this listing. And we just used the title and the brand. So let's check the list. Djembe player. We got djembe and we got djembe player. We got the keyword without the D. We don't have goblet, but I think that's okay. Well, goblet could also confuse the algorithm. We got drum in our brand right here. We got percussion right here. We got drummer. We got instrument. West African drum. We got that right here in the brand. We don't have drumming and we don't have percussionist, but we have drummer and drum. And we have percussion. So these keywords are pretty similar. So this listing is really relevant. That's exactly what you want. Now you could also write this phrase in the first bullet point. Djembe is my therapy. There you go. But you actually don't have to do that because people are not looking for that specific phrase. It's way more important to include all the relevant keywords. Now it's very important to check the trademarks. And because we got the Producta plugin installed, you just click on this button right here that says Trademark US and it's done. So you got these orange words right here and these are single word trademarks, but as you can see these are all common words, so you don't need to worry about this. Now we got this red, these are multi-word trademarks, but this one just says 4A and I wouldn't worry about this because this is just common language and this can't be copyrighted. So now we are good to go with this listing. Now let's write a listing for a very big niche and let's write it for this design right here. It says I do it for the pizza. It's a gym workout design. So this niche is very big, but let's just do the process like the first djembe design. So here we got our Redbubble tag generator again. And this time I would say we got more than one main keyword. So the main keyword could be gym, workout, bodybuilding, weightlifting, fitness, and so on. Let's check it on the tag generator. So let's first type in gym. Okay, let's check. We take our list right here. Then we just collect the keywords. Let's take gym, fitness, workout, bodybuilding, exercise, lifting. CrossFit is a trademark term, so don't use it. Then we got weightlifting, motivation, weights, powerlifting, muscle, training. We got barbell, we got fit, inspirational, we got gains, weightlifting, inspiration, strong, bodybuilder. Bodybuilder is good. Quote, sports, muscles, health, running, weight. Okay, now we can enter some of the other keywords right here. So let's enter bodybuilding. Okay, let's see. Bodybuilding, gym, fitness, workout, exercise, lifting, muscle, CrossFit, motivation, weightlifting, powerlifting, training weights, bodybuilder. Okay, basically these are very similar. So let's type in fitness. Okay, fitness, gym, workout, exercise, bodybuilding, funny, lifting, CrossFit, motivation, muscle, training. Okay, I think we got enough keywords from the Redbubble tag generator. So let's go to Wikipedia and type in some main keywords. Let's just start with weightlifting. Weightlifting or weightlifting generally refers to physical exercise and sports in which people lift weights, often in the form of dumbbells, barbells or machines. Olympic weightlifting, you gotta be careful with that keyword because it has to do with the Olympics and these are trademarked. Okay, let's type in gym. Okay, I don't think we get any more relevant keywords from Wikipedia. And in this case, I would say we have enough keywords. So now let's just write the listing. Okay, let's start with the title. Let's type in weightlifting, unicorn, motivation. Actually, let's type workout motivation. Okay, weightlifting, unicorn, workout motivation for a bodybuilder. Okay, then you just put in a brand with a lot of keywords. Gym and fitness, bodybuilding. Okay, we got workout. Let's type in lifting, lifting weights, designs. Okay, -2. Let's remove the weights. The brand is gym and fitness, bodybuilding, lifting designs. Now let's add the phrase to the first bullet point. I do it for the pizza. And you notice that I write the title and the brand in title case. That means that the main words are written with the uppercase letter, and that just looks a bit better in the search results. Okay, we got the phrase, I do it for the pizza. And then we can add some sentences that add keywords to the listing. I just wrote a unicorn that lifts a barbell while training its muscles. So that describes the design itself and also adds some keywords to the listing. Then I wrote an inspirational and motivational exercise design, perfect for powerlifting and fitness. Actually, let's write and your gains. Okay, now let's check our keywords. We got gym, fitness, workout, bodybuilding, exercise, lifting, weightlifting, motivation, weights. We have to add that. Let's add it right here. A unicorn that lifts a barbell with weights while training its muscles. Powerlifting, we got that. Muscles, training, barbell, fit, inspirational, gains, bodybuilder. Yeah, perfect. Now we got all these keywords in this short listing. Now we don't need to use the second bullet point. It wouldn't make much sense in our case because we already used all of our keywords. What I like to do is to put the bullet points into the description because the description could be useful for Google. So to do this, you just click this button right here that says bullets and there you go. Now it copies your bullet points into the description. Now of course we do a trademark check. Click this button right here and there we go. We got the single word trademarks, but these are common words, so we can use them and we don't have to worry about these. Then we got the multi-word trademarks for A, that's just common language, and also I do, and that's also just common language, so don't worry about that. So now we are finished and we can upload the design with this listing. Now if you're still struggling to find the right niches on Amazon, then click on this link right here.